Hey, welcome to the channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Hisense 5S Series DH5S102BW 10kg heat pump tumble dryer in white. We'll go through its design, its features, and the specifications that matter so you can decide if this model is the right fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the drying technology. This is a heat pump tumble dryer, which means it recycles hot air inside the drum to dry clothes more efficiently. Heat pump systems are known to be very energy conscious, but it is important to note that drying times can be a bit longer compared to traditional vented or condenser dryers. The best way to get consistent results is to avoid overloading the drum, allowing the warm air to circulate properly around your laundry. Moving to the capacity and build. The dryer offers a 10kg drum, making it suitable for medium to large households with regular laundry loads. The door is front-loading for easy access, and the hinge can be fitted to open on either the left or right side, giving flexibility depending on your room layout. The control panel combines buttons, a rotary dial, and touch controls, giving you a modern but straightforward way to select cycles. An LCD display is included, so you can clearly see the program selected, the time remaining, or any adjustments you've made. Now, on to performance and programs. The machine provides 17 drying programs, each tailored for different fabric types and drying needs. This means you can select the right cycle whether you are drying everyday clothes, delicate fabrics, or bulkier items like bedding and towels. A full cycle takes around 2 to 7 minutes, while a half load cycle is much quicker, around 90 minutes. Convenience is also a strong point here. A delay timer lets you schedule a drying cycle up to 12 hours in advance, so you can time it to finish when it suits you best. This is especially helpful if you want your clothes to dry as soon as you get home or first thing in the morning. When it comes to energy use, this dryer is rated A+++, one of the highest efficiency ratings available. Its annual energy consumption is 209 kWh, which is consistent with what you would expect from a heat pump model. It has a standby power consumption of only 0.5 watts, keeping unnecessary usage very low. The noise level is measured at 64 decibels, which places it in noise rating Class B. That's about the volume of an average conversation, meaning it won't dominate the sound of your household while running. For those who need the details, the dryer measures 84.5 cm in height, 59.5 cm in width, and 64 cm in depth. It is important to make sure your space can accommodate this size before installation. The water container is positioned at the bottom, making it straightforward to empty when needed. To sum up, this Hisense tumble dryer is best suited for families of 4 or more, busy households that need to handle large laundry loads, or anyone looking for a dryer that balances generous capacity with strong energy efficiency. The Hisense 5S Series DH5S102BW 10kg heat pump tumble dryer deserves your attention. Thank you.